Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to post a service on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. With the platform's latest updates, it's easier than ever to connect with potential clients and grow your side hustle. Whether you're offering freelance writing, home repairs, or virtual tutoring, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. If you're on the app, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the bottom right, and select Marketplace. On the desktop version, it's right on your homepage sidebar. Once you're there, look for the Sell or Create New Listing button. In 2025, Facebook has streamlined this with AI suggestions, so it might even prompt you based on your profile. Next, choose the Services category from the options. This is key because services are treated differently from physical items, with features like scheduling tools and review integrations. Now, fill in the details. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention, like Expert Web Design Services Available Now. Then, write a clear description. Keep it concise but informative, highlighting what you offer, your experience, and any unique selling points. Don't forget to set your price. You can use the new dynamic pricing tool to adjust based on demand. Add some visuals to make your listing pop. Upload high-quality photos or even a short video. Facebook's 2025 enhancements allow for AR previews, which can really showcase your service. Set your location and availability. The platform now integrates with calendars for seamless booking. Before you hit publish, double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. A few quick tips for success. Use keywords in your title and description to improve search visibility, respond to messages promptly, and always be transparent about your services to build trust. There you have it. That's how you post a service on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be connecting with customers in minutes. Give it a try and drop a comment below with your experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.